Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will focus on building the Docker image using GitHub Actions. In the previous lecture, we started creating the Docker job and we were able to log in to Docker using the Docker login action. In this lecture, we will focus on how to build a Docker image when working with GitHub Actions. As we did when logging to Docker, we will use a pre-built action from GitHub Actions Marketplace to build our Docker image. So let's go back to GitHub Actions Marketplace. So here we want to search for an action. So we will set the filter here to actions. We will search for the actions that we can use when working with Docker. So we will type Docker here and then press enter. So here we get the actions that we can use when working with Docker. Whenever we want to build or push a Docker image when working with GitHub Actions, we will make use of this action. So let's scroll down to explore the usage of the build and push Docker images action. When working with this action for building and pushing Docker images, we have to set the context keyword to the path to the Docker file, and we have also to specify if we want or not to push the Docker image. So I will copy these lines of code, and then we will make the necessary changes depending on our needs. So in the configuration of the Docker job, after the step for login to Docker, we will add another step for building the Docker image. We can calculate, for example, Docker build, and then we have to specify the name of the action that we want to use and the parameters that we have to set. So first of all, we set the user's keyword to the name of the action that we will use to build and push our Docker image. And then here under the with section, we specify the parameters that we have to set when working with this action. First of all, here for the context, so here we have to specify the path to the Docker file. Our Docker file is located at the root of the repository, so the context will be set to the path where the Docker file is located. After building the Docker image, if we want to push the Docker image to the container registry, we set the push keyword to true. But in our case, we want to test the Docker image before pushing it to a container registry, so we will set the push keyword to false. And finally, for the tags keyword, we specify here the tag that we want to give to our Docker image. We want here to tag our Docker image with our Docker Hub username /React app, and we want also to add the SHA value of the current commit. So now the Docker job is configured to first of all check out the repository, then log in to Docker using the Docker login action, and finally building the Docker images. And we will add another step to list the Docker images to verify if the image that we built here exists or not. So I will call this step list Docker images, and here I want to run the command Docker images to list the Docker images that are available. When working with Docker commands, there is no need to add additional configuration to the Ubuntu latest system because Docker is pre-installed on Ubuntu, so we can work with the Docker CLI. So now the job is ready to build the Docker image. So let's commit the changes and see the execution of the workflow. So now the changes was committed successfully. Let's check if a new workflow was triggered. So here we have a workflow that is in progress. Let's see the jobs that we have in this workflow. So we still have 3 jobs in the workflow. Because we didn't add any new job, we just changed the Docker job. So we added the step needed to build the Docker image. So let's explore the execution of the Docker job. So now we have 2 new steps that are part of the Docker job. One is called Docker build and the second one is called list Docker images. So let's first of all expand the logs of the Docker build step. So here it uses the build push action to build our Docker image. And if we scroll down, we find here the name of the Docker image that is built during the execution of this step, and it is tagged as we specify in the workflow configuration. After building the Docker images, the job moves to the next step to list the Docker images that are available. So here we have different Docker images. The first one that we have here is called React App, and it is tagged with our Docker Hub username, and it is created just 2 seconds ago. So this image is the image built during the execution of the Docker build step. So that's how we can build Docker images when working with GitHub Actions. I hope that everything is clear. Thank you very much, and we will continue in the upcoming lectures.